The brain is an energy-demanding organ. For psychiatric diseases, could an intervention that's metabolism-based, could it actually affect the processes in the brain that produce the disease to begin with?
In a ketogenic diet, the principal metabolic change in our body is that because of the lack of carbohydrates in our diet, the lack of sugar, our body starts using other substrates to produce energy. It switches metabolism to use fat as energy source instead of glucose. And it's doing that in a way that it produces chemicals called ketone bodies. Acetate, acetoacetate, and beta-hydroxybutyrate. These are produced in the liver, get into the bloodstream, and from the bloodstream they go up into the brain.
You're giving the brain a chance of fighting all the toxins, everything that is around. So the mitochondria has enough time to do what it's supposed to do, to clear, to get the calcium inside, to put the ATP outside, to enable faster oxidation.
Ketosis changes our metabolic physiology, which changes our brain chemistry. It can balance the neurotransmitter systems in the brain, balance the energy levels in the brain, reduce systemic inflammation, which reduces neuroinflammation. We know inflammation in the brain can trigger psychiatric disorders.
In schizophrenia, in bipolar disease, there is a problem with the way the brain utilizes glucose and other aspects of the metabolic machinery. Then circumventing that and providing another source of energy in the form of ketone bodies, we might be able to normalize the abnormal cell biology, therefore the symptoms.
This is an evidence-based treatment for epilepsy. We have many randomized controlled trials. We have 2 Cochrane reviews.
We've known for over 100 years that ketogenic diets improve, stabilize, protect, energize the brain. The science is already here.